Hi guys, I'm at the grocery store. So I wanted to give you a quick sneaky peek at what real frugal grocery shopping looks like. When I'm organized, I can't tell you that I'm disorganized all the time, but I have my list. And with this list, I have gone and I've price matched all my items. I know what store has what. That's my color coordination. No Frills is yellow. Walmart is green and Superstore is orange. But also what I've done is gone through, and for every little thing that I'm purchasing, I have the price, the lowest price listed on the Flipp app, so I know that I will be price matching. I like to come to Superstore because when I know I'm doing a big shop, I check their free item when you purchase more than $250 worth of groceries. And this week it's a Jameson pack of vitamins, and I thought that was really good, so I definitely came here. Also, they price shop. Also, you get PC points. Plus. So I'm in Superstore, and I always have my list, but then I also bring some tape. I bring tape so it's easier at checkout. When I go to checkout, all the taped items are price matched items that I have in my Flipp app that I've already circled, so it's easy to say, okay, well, this is price matched, here's what it is. Lest I forget my shopping bags, because we can't even pay 5 cents, okay? We don't even pay 5 cents. So don't forget your shopping bags, very important. And last but not least, my pre-shop also included all the coupons. So there are a couple sites that you guys can check when you are shopping, and then after you shop, a couple sites that you can go on to upload your receipt to get cash back and offers, and I will share that with you too. So I'm gonna go shop and I will show you all the little stuff that I came out with and what my grocery haul looks like for today at the Superstore. The downside to shopping on the last day of sale, everything is gone. I was gonna price match this for 99 cents too. Can't believe it's not butter, it's gone. It ain't here no more. What? So I have my tape that I keep around my wrist, and I just do this, operate with one hand. And here's what I have in the cart so far. I do a lot of no name, and anything that price match, I do put the sticker. I'm not done yet though. This right here is all mine. First grocery shop of 2022.